Lego set. And wait, I'm not gonna close it. I'm just gonna show you. So this is, she's on page 13 and 14, and this is what she's trying to make. So yeah.
And look how it is.
Yeah, and if you guys want to see the box, this is a box. We got it from Target. And I got some squishmallows. I'm going to show you guys later in this video. So this is the puzzle set, and these are the humans. So I'll be back in maybe a few minutes.
Oh wait, look at this.
Yeah, this is how it looks right now. Because we didn't start filming it while we first made it because we kind of forgot. So we'll see you in probably like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I have no idea. Bye.
I just opened the second.
Okay, you guys. So I'm doing overlay or voice record because
Page 19.
my sister's kind of talking quiet. So she was saying that she is like on page that, and that when when she's almost done making the panda, she'll see you when she'll make another video when she's done making the panda. So
When I make the
hope
panda.
that helps. Okay, so we're on the panda now. I just finished. I just took a shower. So
Okay, let's see. We need one of that.
okay,
Let's
wait.
find that. Right here, we got it.
Okay,
Look
I know
at
you
my
guys just
Dora.
heard the random
Can you
drumming
put
thing,
these?
but yeah.
Let's
That was
see.
just like I just Yeah, wanted wait, I to
need
try
to
it
show them
out.
'cause I'm
So
upside
yeah.
down.
Okay. That was funny. Our neighbor just walked past us.
Right here. Right
So
here.
This is the page where I'm showing them.
Can you find that?
Let's go try to find it, bro. No,
Can
that's
you
kind of
see?
cringy. That's
That Dora. This is our magic map. Okay, we'll find it ourselves.
okay.
Okay, we got one of it. I'm like
Two.
Dora.
Two.
Okay, now we have to put it on the bottom.
Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna try like do a little setup. So like, I'm trying to find a little setup. Well, I know I could use this.
I got this.
I need scissors.
What? Okay. And now we need that. Wait. Again? I don't know.
Why
What?
do I always do that?
Found one. Found two. Okay. Got flip it. You gotta put it. Did it. Then one more.
Can I cut the box out?
Yeah, I don't know what to use that box for. Watch her cut it. Girl, I'm not gonna show that. Yeah.
I don't show that.
You haven't even cut it.
Okay.
I can't put this.
Do you think my phone is bigger?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Okay, you guys.
Are you pausing?
I made a stand. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a second to see like if it like works.
And I'm not gonna make this yet until
Just wait a few more seconds. Bye. We're back. It works.
Oh, I threw this. Okay. We need that right there.
Okay. So I'm just like.
Found it.
Okay, so we're trying to build it right now.
I'm good. I need to.
You guys are just gonna watch him build it
Ooh.
because
Oh, you
I'm
broke
very
the
bored.
thing.
So I'm playing with my puppet.
I'm gonna show you the process of this right here.
Wow. Yeah, that's how it looks like.
Okay.
It's not focused.
Ah.
Okay, now it's focused.
What do we need else? Oh yeah.
You guys hear puppet
No.
sounds? That's me just playing with my puppet.
You can show them.
Oh yeah, what?
I'm trying. I don't get why. Why doing? Oh, there's a baby. There's a big panda and a baby. Their head is the same What? I thought they weren't in there.
Oh yeah, this pub is really good. It's like loud on both sides.
Go to this area.
Okay, the camera's falling.
Wait. Woo. Okay, we need that. What that?
Okay, this is supposed to look like after we make the panda. Hopefully it looks like that. Oh yeah, you guys, I haven't shown my squishmallow yet because it's in the dryer right now. I'm drying it, but it's not done yet. Right now she's taking a shower, so.
Ooh! I kicked it though.
Hopefully it didn't fall anywhere.
I got them. Back.
Oh yeah, you guys could hear that now.
I don't really know
These are really good puppets.
what I'll do. Oh my, I need to look.
Don't move your head too close because.
Okay. I'm gonna read this.
I put the camera really high, so then they could.
Okay, what do it shows?
They don't see you. They just see the hammock right now.
Wow.
Okay, this is very boring, so I'm just gonna be back when we're done building the panda and probably almost building the panda, and then we might film the next one. Bye. We're back. I'm really
gonna
tired.
put on the head.
She's gonna put on the head.
3, 2, 1.
I thought it was gonna only take a tiny bit, but it took so long making this ugly fat panda.
I think that's the baby one.
Oh yeah, the head. Look at it's not pushed in.
It is.
Why is it like that? Oh, it can move its head. Well, it kind of looks creepy on camera, but when you look at it like this,
We gotta put the panda on now.
see, now
Put him on the board.
Okay, so this is how it looks like.
Oh my God, she's
Right
leaving the bed.
Oh yeah, I put the girl on the bed.
Hey, this
And now we gotta make the mama panda.
Yeah.
We'll be back in a few seconds when we're making it.
It's showing us how to start right now. Okay.
Bye.
This is what page we are on.
Okay, I guess we're gonna put the page down. Bye bye. This is my new squishmallow. This is Elda. She kind of looks bad because I kind of washed her.
Oh, I just finished. This is the cat eating a fish.
She just finished it.
And look at that girl. She just eat. She got some cake. And
Okay, let's put the box.
That was. I gotta say. Hey, can I say a second?
Let's put it tall. Wait, no. This is what it's supposed to look like. And this is what it looks like.
I don't get it. Why is the cake circle when in the game it's square?
I have no idea.
Oh well.
Well, yeah, it's this.
It's a pond.
Yeah, I'm on the top.
But let's take her. Let's take her. And look at her.
This is a little pond or lake.
And now,
Oh yeah, where's the mama panda? Here's
Right
the
there.
mama panda, and here's the baby panda eating bamboo.
And look at her.
That's really cute.
She's just having some fun on the town.
Yeah, that's a little bit funny, but it's a little bit weird.
Why would it be like that?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I know. Look at that.
Wow. It's actually writing it.
I know. Wait, here we do something that.
Wait, why does it only have 2 legs?
It lost a leg from here.
Yo.
It do be losing a leg.
I didn't even notice that.
And now
I really like this area. I like the fish. I like the little mini stuff. You know what they could use? Wait. They could use my mini bands. My mini band as free.
Pick off the cat.
Okay, that's all. I'm gonna go. Bye. See you guys in the
I'm gonna
next
do a
video.
voiceover. That was all for today.
Bye.